to my channel. In this video I am doing some Easter baskets, 2 Easter baskets for boys and 1 for a little girl. I did try to keep different items for both the boys, so I want to give you some ideas of what you could get. I got all these items at Target because Dollar Tree is $1.25 now, and I realized Target Dollar Spot has an area where just dollar stuff, might as well, right? And the only 2 items that I did get were $3, but I thought they were cute. I actually was confused in that spot. It said 50% off, and I was thinking the whole, like, everything on that shelf was 50% off, but it wasn't. But I was already in line paying, so I was like, F it, I'm just gonna keep them. They're cute. Anyways, let me stop rambling on and let you see what I got, and hopefully you get some ideas when you go to Target. Again, really appreciate it if you will subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, and all that good stuff. It will truly help out my channel. So let's get started with the video with the items I got for my, honestly, first things first is you need baskets, and I got these baskets for just $1. Obviously the girl will have the pink, and then the 2 boys will have blue and yellow, so we have to start off with that. So let me tell you the items that I got for my niece, who is 2 years old. Oh, and also I got the stuffing for the little paper stuffing thingies for the actual baskets, and they were also $1. Okay, so starting with items for my little niece, I thought this is super cute. It's a frozen ducky, so it's Olaf as a little ducky. She could do this in her little bath when she does take baths. I thought it was so cute. That was for her, as well as this chalk basket. Only $1 for all these, and I thought it was 12 count for $1. Super cute. She could go outside and just write on the chalk sidewalks, the chalkboard. She don't have a chalkboard. And then I ended up getting her this little cute little is it a duck? No, it's a bunny for $1. Yep, it's a bunny, and it's round up, and then obviously you round it up, and then it will walk on the thing. So I think she'll like that, and it's super cute, so she could play with. I also got her a ball, and it lights up every time she hits it, so she could literally just throw it around and just watch it light up. I'm gonna take this off because it's gonna irritate me. Also $1. Super cute, and it's fun. It is pretty hard too. Anyways, and then the next item I got her was a little bubble bath book, so she could, when she takes a little bath, or even now just sitting, she could read it. And I think it's cute because she does love books. And then this book is just super soft and squishy, so I thought it was super cute. And it says Hello Purple, and I guess I don't know what's inside of it, but I'm guessing it's something about octopus and purple. And then this item was the item that was $3, and it is Poppets. I should have known this wasn't $1. But yeah, obviously you guys know a lot of kids love the Poppets, so she could just play with it all day. She does like this sometimes, but this is super cute, and only $3 is not bad. I really didn't give her much items because she's only 2, and there's a lot of things there that were $1 that wasn't really like 2-year-old kind of related. But I thought I got her a coloring book. Let me go find that. But anyways, I got her like a little stretch thingy. It's like it's for sensory, and she does like these kind of things, and it's just like very soft, and you just pull it. And I think it's just, I don't even know, like, it's just very interesting. And it's a shape as a, what is this? It's like a horse. I think it's a horse. So that's pretty cute, so she could play with. And then she loves sunglasses, so I got her a pair of sunglasses for just $1. I think this is so cute, and it's like very stylish too. Really like it. Super cute. And then found it's a play pack grab and glow. So it has a coloring book, sticker, and crayons. She loves Frozen, so I thought this was a pretty cute idea, and she's into that habit where she takes pens or paper. If she sees you using a pen or paper, she'll grab the pen and paper and start writing on it. So might as well start her with some crayons and some stickers and all that good stuff. And that's the items that I got for my 12-year-old my 2-year-old niece. So I didn't get her any candies because she is 2. Normally I get the older kids candies, more candy than toys, because a lot of items that are $1 are not very, like, for 10-year-olds or 11-year-olds, you know. once they get that age, they just want video games. But guess what? No video games. We're gonna stick to cute little candies and toys. I forgot to also mention, I try to keep the Easter baskets either $10 or less or $15 or less. I think when you buy pre-made baskets, not all the time you'll have items in that basket that the kid will like. So at least when you do things by yourself, you know what they like and just create it yourself, and it's the same price, maybe a little bit cheaper, but it's also fun to create baskets. I think so. But yeah, that's just a little side note I forgot to mention in the beginning. Okay, so let's get started with the boys. I got more balls in there. This one, no, what the heck? Okay, so only one lights up, but I got balls, 2 balls that lights up. Yeah, that was super cute. Not super cute, but they could just toss the ball. I also got a bunch of candy, like I said it before, and then another Bop It for $3, but I think it's pretty cool. So my nephew does like Bop It, so pretty cute idea for his Easter basket. I don't know why I got these two, but I just think that since kids be having like chappy lips, I was like, let me get some lip balm so they could just moisturize their chappy lips. But yeah, I got it Batman themed. I think they have some for the little girls. I didn't get my niece any of this because she's only 2 and she might just ruin it with the carpet or something. So yeah, I got this chapstick, which is, I think it's a good idea for a boy's basket. So I think this might be a little bit too like kiddie-ish for my nephew, but I still got it because he does like dinosaurs, and they are sticker and color activity books, and it contains 1 activity roll, which is what you color on, and 1 sticker sheet and 3 crayons. It does say 3+, but I think my boyfriend's son will really like this too, hopefully. But yeah, so it might be a little bit too kiddie-ish for my 10-year-old nephew, or is he 11? He's around that age. But yeah, but I think it's still cute because it's dinosaurs. He could always give it to his little brother. But yeah, I was trying to keep the boys separate, but obviously I ended up getting 2 things that are the same, but that's fine. Okay, so I ended up getting 3 things that are the same. I guess I really didn't individually buy them things. I guess because the Target section had like minimal things to buy, but I ended up getting, I think I got my nephew this last year, but I think they're so cute, so I still bought them. They're like little Legos and they're mini T-Rexes. I think this is so cute and adorable, and it's fun to make and build, you know. Okay, just like the Frozen, I got a dinosaur version, which has, again, coloring book, sticker, and crayons. I think with younger kids, they do still like the color and stuff, so I thought that was super cute for my boyfriend's son, so I had to get it. My nephew likes bath bombs. The only reason why he likes bath bombs is because it turns colors and the water turns colors, and he's just fascinated by that. So I got him it's a cotton candy marshmallow scented bath bomb, and it's blue. I'm guessing it's blue, and it's shaped as a peep. He does like peep marshmallows, which I also got him, so I wanted to get him this, and it's something he could do or have fun with when he goes in the bath, you know. So the rest of the items I got were all really just candy. I'm just gonna show you because all these candies were literally $1, except for the Nerds, which was 99 cents. Ooh, forgot about this. Boyfriend's son, I got him some, what is this called? Why am I smacking my lips? I'm so sorry. Bubbles. So you could go, it's pretty long, just for $1. So you could go around and blow bubbles when he goes outside or something. But yeah, I thought this was super cute. So let's get on with the candy part. So I got them 2 sour twists. So I got them sour candy, $1, pretty cool. As well as my nephew, he got, I think he likes Pez's, and I thought it was so cute because it's Baby Yoda. So I was like, literally, I needed to get him this for sure, and it was literally only $1. So I was just like, okay, Target, you're about to beat Dollar Tree in a second, because Dollar Tree and $1.25, I don't know, I want to see at least. So they also have more eggs in this shape. One Sour Patch, and then the other one is M&M's. And then I also got the boys some Hubba Bubble bubblegum. super good idea. I mean, guys, you can't beat for $1. This reminds me of my childhood, but they last for like 2 seconds once you start chewing them. But only $1, can't beat that. I'm just turning here giving you like candy ideas. When I do their baskets, I make sure that I get the candy that they like. That's another smart idea. I always do this every year. Make sure to get their candy that they like. That way they don't waste it. I know it's bad to always eat candy, but candy is good. But so I got a bottle pop. I used to have these when I was younger too. That was pretty cool. Don't mind my ratchet nails. I need to go get them done. But anyways, got the bottle pop. I got some M&Ms, Hershey M&Ms, some Nerds. This was 99 cents. And I also got some gummies for my nephew, and then also for him a Nerds rope. I love these things. And then also Peeps for him, and Starburst jelly beans. So they do have a wide variety of $1 or 99-cent candies there. It's not at the dollar bullseye spot. It was back where they usually have their like seasonal item, which is obviously Easter now. They have a section back there that has like candy between 99 cents to like $5. I wanted to get this gummy bear that was shaped as Yoda. I might just go back to get it because it was $4.99, but I wanted to keep these basket at an affordable rate, so I ended up just buying these candies. But definitely I might just go back for the baby Yoda because that was so cute. It was like a shaped gummy bear. $5, can't beat it. And it was pretty big. It was like this big. Anyways, let me stop rambling on. I'm going to show you how I assemble these, and hopefully you got some ideas. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me get started with assembling these baskets, all cute. It is super early, but I like to do these things super early because I stress out, so I like to do things early. But anyways, let me assemble and stop rambling on, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So until next time, well, watch me just assemble these real quick and then you can go. But anyways, I will see you guys next time. Bye.
A couple hours from Japan, would you stay awake? I'm losing touch of who I am when you're far away. And I feel like I'm running in circles around you. And I know I've been acting strange for a while, but I want you close, ooh, ooh, closer than before. And no one knows, ooh, ooh, that I want you close. I'm not overthinking feelings, I just need you to know that I want you close. You're close.